Hello, this is Valentin from Zexel, and today I am going to show you how to invite a user to your organization. As you know, at Zexel, we have like different use cases. So usually when you have like most of companies, they just prefer to have one user, which user we just select, group all the payments, and then we'll create the batch payouts, and then we pay all your creators, affiliates, or influencers. Some organizations like influencer marketing agencies or UGC agencies or companies that have like many people actually collab with different campaigns, and those payments maybe they need to go through maybe 60 days or 30 days payment terms and conditions. They tend to have the same problem, that the invoices that they receive, they send them to a mailbox, and then administration and accountants and then finance team, they have to actually reach out, try to organize it, and try to put a date of each of this. And then many of the account managers, they just keep forgetting on putting those invoices, so even reviewing them and things like that. And this is a big a problem. By outsourcing your vendors payouts, or in the influencer marketing and affiliate marketing, you forget about it, because SexyPay will become your only vendor provider to pay all those vendors. So we have to take care of reviewing those vendors and influencers and affiliates. We also have to review the invoices, because we will put it through our influencer marketing or through our accounting in order to send those payments. The job of the people who are doing those campaigns would have to be just putting the payment requests, and then another team will have to just approve them and request a batch on the invoice. So let's get into it. So if you are already a user, you just go here to your profile, and then you just go here into, there is 3 sections: company, contact data, and change password. You go to company, edit information, and then there is here, you can see the billing, your billing information, and the deal that you have with us. And then if you try to go deep down here, you would see pending invitations. Pending invitation is for the people that you want to put a line here. You can cancel, or you can resend, or you can just invite a new user. Let's just cancel one so you see how it looks like. We just delete one in this way. This is how easy it is. So here, the power that you as a user have is a very specific one. When you click here, invite a user, you have a role. The role of staff and the role of a manager. Currently, you are the manager. You are kind of like the main user who can seize it all. You can delete people. You can create a batch invoice. You can use all our features of Zexel Pay. The staff can do a little bit less. I will show you a bit. So the staff can just view, edit batches and payment requests. They can create, delete, and track status from their own payments. They can do most of the things that the manager can do, but only in their own word. They cannot see from the whole organization, while managers can see from everyone whatever they have created, and they can also see whatever they have done as well. Okay, so that's the only difference. Okay, let's continue. We just go here, just put the email, and then we send. We press send. Here would be pending until the user just accept. In the other side, the other user will receive an invitation, of course. Says, this company is inviting you, just please click here, and then they have to create a password. Then when they create the password, they would be able to go in, okay? And then they also, it says on the email, what are they capable? They are capable to create payment requests, group them into a batch, mark as a ready for approval, which is a pre-approval. That's mean they can create a batch invoice and things like that, and collab with the team on campaign and payment management. Literally only their own word, they can only see. I really hope this information can help you understand a little bit more about Zexel Pay and this multi-level approval use case. So have a good day. Take care.